Your contradictions, again, they usually occur when multiple people have contributed to a single RFP, or if you're cutting and pasting what quite often is boilerplate, just check for consistency there. They're usually minor in scope. The example that I gave about number of development iterations, very common to find that specified at one number in one part of the RFP and a different number later on. You don't want to create a situation where the offerer has to guess as to which one you actually meant. An example of a contradiction that's fairly common is that you state that the application has to be ADA compliant, 508. But the creative department within the offerer's organization does not like alternate text to be attached to images. Those are mutually exclusive in a 508 compliant application.